All right, we are on page 272. Let's read the story problem. Lucia's exercise class starts at, let's try all of you reading. Lucia's exercise class starts in 195 minutes. Circle. It takes Lucia 3 hours to do errands. Does Lucia have enough time to do errands before her class starts? Or his? Change the number of hours to take Lucia to do errands to the number of minutes. So I have to find the smallest unit. Is hours or minutes the smallest unit? Which one? Minutes. So I'm going to write this as the smallest. That's what I'm converting to.
An hour is 60.
I need you to pick up your pencils.
Can I just do that?
Pencils. So I have the class starts 195 minutes. And I need to find out, I need to get errands to minutes. Okay? All right, well, I have to go look over here to the conversion. For every hour, it's 60 minutes. So we have 1, 2, 3 hours, which is 60 minutes. I'll take 60 and I will, 60 and I will multiply it by 3 using my steps to multiply. 3 times what? Class?
6, 0.
3 times what?
60.
Anytime thing times a 0 is a 0. I have 1 0 here. Move it over. 6 times 3 is 18. I add together. I get 180 minutes. So this is 3 hours equals 180 minutes. It'll take 180 minutes to run Lucia's errands. And the class starts at 195. Does Lucia have enough time to do errands? Yes or no? Yes. Yes. Run. Yes. Go run errands. Perfect. All right, let's check our work. Well, I think over here we checked lots of it, so I think we're good on that one. Okay? Let's roll over to page 273 next. Ready to read? Tahara is shopping for a pet carrier for her cat. One small carrier can hold 240 ounces. Circle. Her cat weighs 12 pounds. Can the carrier hold her cat? Underline. Which one's the smallest unit? Ounces or pounds? Ounces. Let's write that. This is the smallest unit. Everything has to convert to ounces. So I'm going to get 12 pounds down to ounces. For every pound, it equals 16 ounces. So I can take 16 ounces and times it by the number of pounds I have. And I'm going to do both in case you are, you like partial quotient or area model. Which one? So, 2 times what?
6.
2 times what?
10.
Repeat. Give yourself a shortcut to make sure you get them right. What's the next number? Is this a 1 or a 10? These are in the tens and the ones column. 10 times 6, 10 times 10. Ready to solve. 6 times 2 is 12. Move your 0 over. 2 times 1 is 2. Move your 0 over. 6 times 1 is 60. Move 2 zeros over. 1 times 1 is 1. I add 172 ounces.
How'd you get 172?
9. I'm going to put 192. So 12 pounds equals 192 ounces. I'm going to just do the area model over here in case some of you like to use that one to make sure you're successful in this kind of work. So expanded form of 16 is 10 plus what? Expanded form of 12 is 10 plus 2. Everything with a 10 in it. Everything with the 2 goes this way. All of these green 10s go down. All the green 6s go down. 2 zeros. Boom, boom. 1 times 1 is 100. Ender, stop it.
1 times 1.
1 0. 6 times 1 is 60. 6 times 2 is 12. Put the 0 in. 20. Add them all together. I only do 2 at a time to make sure I don't make a mistake. Then I add 20. Then I add 12. Okay. So let's go back to the question. Her cat weighs 12 pounds. The carrier holds a cat up to 240. Can her cat be carried in a pet carrier size small? Yes or no? Yes, it can. Because it holds 240 and her cat weighs 192 ounces. Okay? If you put too heavy of a cat in a carrier that is, like, so if her cat weighed more than 240, if it weighed 250 and she put it in that carrier, it might not fit. She'd have to squish it in. But when she picks it up, the 2 pieces of plastic would separate. It would break open. The cat would fall. It would run away, or it would just get hurt.